You guys, I cannot believe James got Faith and I a Jeep Cherokee XJ for a wedding present. We are completely blown away. You guys, check this thing out. This thing is so cool. So we have a lot of plans to do on this thing today, mainly cleaning it up. It's a little dirty. There's a few things wrong with it, but yeah, dude, check this thing out.
Hey.
Oh, hey, what are you doing?
Just hanging out in my new Jeep. But James got us.
Like I said at the beginning, I cannot believe James got us a car, a Jeep, an XJ for a wedding present. I mean.
Who does that? Who does that? Good friends do that.
Yeah, when he got it for us, we were pretty blown away and speechless. We had no idea whatsoever that he had anything up his sleeve. Like, we didn't.
He really snaked us.
He really snaked us on that.
In a good way.
In a good way, yeah.
I just want to give a shout out to James, the Stradman, for being one of the best friends that we've both ever had. We don't know how to repay you. We want to, so we're just going to continue being the best friends that we can be.
And we'll help you film videos as well.
And we'll go to Moab.
And we got a Jeep now, so we got to go do Jeep stuff. Cannot express how thankful I am for the friendship I have with James. Him and I have been friends for a really long time. About that, Faith and I really want to have like a story time video. What do you guys think about that? We'll tell our story, how we met James, how we started the businesses. Would you guys be interested in that kind of video?
Yes.
Faith's very interested in filming that video, but would you guys be interested in viewing the video? That's what really matters. In today's video, we're gonna go through this 1999 Jeep Cherokee XJ. We're gonna go through and show you the exterior, show you the interior. The main thing we're gonna do today though is we're gonna go ham on the interior. We have all of our detailing supplies out. We're gonna pull the benches out, pull everything out that we can get out, clean it as best as we can. That way when we head down to Moab, we're Jeeping in a really, really clean Jeep.
Let's get to it. Let's do this. Okay. So we got some sweet premium Jeep mats for all that Moab sand. We've got a
Gear select.
We've got a gear select here. Some cup holders. A nice container holding for rocks.
Center console, you mean?
Glove box. Oh, snap, with gum in it? Are you serious, James? Did you do that? Oh, that's embarrassing. Got a nice rear bench for me to sleep on. We've got, oh snap, we've got a little toy car. Dude, you serious? What is this? But anyways, yeah, so the car is not dirty to the eye, but I know it could use a really good cleaning. All right, what goodies we got here? Oh! Okay, we got two of these.
The same one.
It is? We've got seatbelt clicks.
Oh, this is a tire inflator.
Tire inflator. We've got
Fix-a-flat.
Fix-a-flat. We've got jumper cables. Dude.
And we got this tire lug nut.
So many extra presents.
Remember these?
Wow!
Oh, no.
So yeah, there's a lot of cool perks in this Jeep. So this is clearly pretty dirty, so we're gonna get to it, right? Let's do it. You looking at my third eye? I'm really self-conscious about it.
Nice. Did you find that in the car?
Yeah.
Oh. We need to pull the benches out and the two front seats. We need to do a full vacuum, carpet extraction with our hot water extractor right there. We need to steam clean everything. If you guys look right here, all this orange dirt, everything, that's all straight Moab. So we need to get all of that old Moab out so we can put new Moab back in.
Clayton is going to demonstrate how to take the front seat of a Jeep Cherokee XJ out. So
Okay,
he removed
bolt, back of the seat, bolt, nut, lean the seat forward, pull the seat out, hopefully. Okay, here we go. See if Faith was paying attention. She wasn't, because that's not the right way. Okay, let's see if Faith's paying attention. Bolt. Wrong one. That one goes to this one. Nut. I mean, bolt. Oh my gosh. Oh geez, she's better at this than I am. Out. That was T minus 49 seconds. It's the third eye that gave you the edge. Nice. Look at those muscles. Look at those muscles. Oh, dang. Nice. I could have just taken it out the back, but that works too.
Okay, so while Clayton washes the seats and the mats, I'm gonna start vacuuming. So cue the music so you don't have to listen to the vacuum.
Guys ready? This is the dump from the inside carpets, not the seats and mats that was earlier. You ready?
Oh, chocolate milk. Okay, the Jeep is pretty much done. The carpets have to dry before we put the seats in them, but we are excited to show you. So here it is. We cleaned the mats, we cleaned the carpets, we cleaned that thing that Sal's on, cleaned the chairs, we shampooed the whole interior carpets, we steamed all the cracks, got all that Moab dust out. Oh yeah.
What do you guys think? We did a pretty good job, huh?
Yeah.
I think we did it good. This thing is good enough to eat in, which brings me to my next point. Faith, you hungry?
Yeah.
Are your makeshift in a chair?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh no.
Takes a minute. Yeah. Okay, so I'm sitting a little bit low in the car, but luckily I have a kind of long torso, so I can easily see right over the steering wheel, just barely. Okay. See how comfy it is in the back.
Wow.
Good?
Yeah.
Ready.
Now you know what it feels like to drive my height. It's actually pretty nice back here. I'm strapped in, being chauffeured to get some fajitas. No one is suspicious of how short Clayton's head is in the window, which is good. And luckily these windows are tinted, so you can't see the precious cargo in the back, you know?
See that guy in the JL Wrangler that's orange gave me the what's up, and my head is like right along the.
Yeah, let me show you. Let me show you Clayton from the outside.
Okay.
Okay. I hope no one looks inside, because if they do, they're just gonna see that. She looks so good, James. You did such a good job. onto fajitas.
My butt's wet.
Gross.
I don't know if they're ready for this.
Did you?
You're tucking it in real nice.
Yeah.
Mini fajita burrito.
Was delicious.
You gonna give it a try?
No.
I don't think. Oh yeah, I don't think.
No. Go ahead and get in so we can see how short you are again. Oh man, jeez. Onwards. This is actually pretty sweet. I could have a picnic back here.
Picnic.
Yeah. Or put a flat screen TV over in that corner. Popcorn machine right here. Maybe a divider so I don't have to see this. Alright, let's put those bad boys back in. Also, our truck is for sale if anyone wants to buy it.
Oh yeah. Okay, there we go.
Put it down. Ooh! To add the final touch.
Is this your Jeep? Are you gonna come to Moab with us? Oh yeah.
Awesome. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you, James, again for this awesome Jeep. We still don't know how to process it. It's just amazing, and you're an amazing friend. But
Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching, like Faith said. So I guess we will see you guys when we're off having fun with James.
see you later.